The seven of us have arrived at a unanimous verdict. We disagree with and overrule the judgment of the majority on this aspect. The seven of us have arrived at a unanimous verdict. We hold. In the course of this judgment, while analyzing the reasoning of the majority and minority in P.V. Narasimha Rao, we have independently adjudicated on all aspects of the controversy, namely, whether by virtue of Articles 105 and 194 of the Constitution, a member of Parliament or the Legislative Assembly, as the case may be, can claim immunity from prosecution on a charge of bribery in a criminal court. We disagree with and overrule the judgment of the majority on this aspect. The judgment of the majority in P.V. Narasimha Rao, which grants immunity from prosecution to a member of the legislature who has allegedly engaged in bribery for casting a vote or speaking, has wide ramifications on public interest, probity in public life, and parliamentary democracy. There is a grave danger of this court allowing an error to be perpetuated if the decision were not reconsidered. An individual member of the legislature cannot assert a claim of privilege to seek immunity under Articles 105 and 194 from prosecution on a charge of bribery in connection with a vote or speech in the legislature. Such a claim to immunity fails to fulfill the twofold test that the claim is tethered to the collective functioning of the House and that it is necessary to the discharge of the essential duties of a legislator. 5. Articles 105 and 194 of the Constitution seek to sustain an environment in which debate and deliberation can take place within the legislature. This purpose is destroyed when a member is induced to vote or speak in a certain manner because of an act of bribery.
What the changes in India's population and the different...
We have a very special guest on the record.
The interview.
The role that the US side played at that point of time.
पूरी दुनिया की नजर
Assume my phone is tapped, I can...
Pakistan has a unique negotiating style.
The rising confidence of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Communist China is the greatest threat.
There will come a day that we will see far more radical extremist.
I'm still a little perplexed by why...
Your daily dose of news from India and across the world. Cutting edge views and analysis. Tune into HT videos. Click on the bell icon to subscribe.